can you serve in a week? Or in 2 weeks' time, in 2 weeks. And they will say, well, I can probably do 2 hours. Okay, okay, is that 2 hours contiguous or 2 hours separate? And then you would say, I prefer to do it 1 hour a week. Okay, okay, 1 hour. What is the best day that you would like to spend this 1 hour to serve? Okay, and then you will say Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, okay. Evening, morning, afternoon, say evening. Okay, is it okay for you that I will help you develop a small group? We will meet Wednesday night, which is what you said. I did not tell you that this is what you'll do. You said you're available Wednesday, 1 hour per week. Can we meet Wednesday, 1 hour per week? Invite me isang kaibigan mo, and then we'll sit down with them. You know, pag kinulong mo kasi ng gano'n, then the issue of not having time actually dissolves. Because they're the ones who commit on the day, they're the ones who commit on the number of hours, no? They're the ones who commit on the time that they will do it. If they don't do it, you go back and tell them, hey, akala ko pa this is the time that you're available. How come it's not? So you make them accountable for their time.
Thank you so much. I learned that Pastor Net is really good in math. Yes, no time is a myth, so please meet. Okay, Ate Tin, anything you want to add to that?
So it happened to us. The two group leaders are really busy. So you have to know also, maybe it's a valid business. So usually we ask them, would you like us to help you? Okay, so because discipleship is not a one-man alone and a one-man show. So you have your D12 to assist you. So what we do is that we ask them, if you really need help, just be there, and then one of your D12 sister will assist and lead your group. Or sometimes I assist. So for a season of time, because along the way na, it's really hard to disciple. So there are also some attacks. Maybe it's business, maybe it's true, it's business. So you have to help. Along the way, along the way when he got trusted or she got trusted, she would lead and multiply. And this is also an example to follow. So that is what we did and we are still doing.
Thank you so much. So Pastor Omar, before you add anything,